Oh my god, guys, this house in Cape Coral is a total dream.
It has this private freshwater canal, and yes, this Tiki Hut.
Plus, a boat lift ready to go. Imagine waking up and taking your boat out every single weekend.
Oh wait, it also has a pool and a spa. Resort vibes right at home.
This outdoor space is so perfect for soaking up the Florida sun, hosting the holidays, or just chilling with a drink in hand. This home is 100% move-in ready with a bright open layout and tons of natural light. Four bedrooms, over 1,700 square feet of space, so much room to spread out, host family, work from home, whatever you need. And here's where it gets even better. Brand new roof, not in the flood zone, no HOA fees. Say goodbye to those monthly dues. You're also in a great part of Cape Coral, close to everything, but still super peaceful and private. Honestly, this place has everything.
Send me a message for your own private tour. Homes like these don't last.